It's School Trains in Montreal. I'm here at the St. John's Boulevard Overpass, and I got a freight train, the CN, heading west at about 1 p.m. on the 30th of October 2024 on a beautiful day. It's like a tanker train. In the background there is the Pointe Claire shopping center, one of the oldest shopping centers in Montreal, and in Canada for that matter. I'm on a little bike trip today, heading towards CN Westbound. Don't know if I'm going to get there. Don't know if I'm going to go that far. But I'm going to try to get as far as I can. It's all contingent on the wind, actually. It of course gets darker earlier, so I won't be out too late. There was a single locomotive on the front there, so there's going to be a DPU somewhere in there. A lot of rail box cars. Very distinctive yellow. TTX took over that company. And armored yellow. There it is. Yeah, lots of tank cars on this one. I got a bird singing on the wire over here. There's a hydro tower here, and there's a singing bird, just as if it's summer. And it's of course late October. We're like one day away from Halloween, and here we are. We've got summer-like conditions. And the end of the train seems to be coming. And there it is. The last one is that Canadian hopper car. There it is, passing by the EXO station. And there's another train coming. Awesome, this is a 2-for-1. Looks like an oil train. Well, it's mixed freight. Here on Canadian Pacific, Kansas City. This is pretty awesome, actually. Was not expecting a second train. I thought maybe I'd missed some trains when I was in the shopping center earlier. Every now and again you get lucky over here at the St. John's Boulevard Overpass because trains will meet. Here comes DPU, ES44. There's some auto racks. Those ones are going to be full. And it's the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.